Hi, thanks for watching. I'm James and welcome to another episode of Seized Gearbox. I am at Tesla Specialist Birmingham picking up my car at long last. It's been a real dear do. So insert footage of train and taxi.
In 500 feet.
So here it is, looking very clean. It's basically had a new rear drive motor, reconditioned with a coolant delete because that's what happened to it originally. But car's looking good. I said to them while it's in it needed an MOT, which has unfortunately meant it needs brakes all round, tyres all round, suspension all round. And this is the place if you ever need any work. I'll insert the photos of the bills and you can see how much money I have spent. It's eye-watering. I could have bought another one of these. Have a look. No. So welcome to Telford Services, where I'm having a supercharge. Really the only reason I'm keeping this is the free supercharging. But let's look at some paperwork, let's look at some bills, let's look at what I've spent. So the car broke down and the problem was the large drive unit. The seals had gone, it filled with coolant, knackered the thing. That then popped the pyro fuse and that's why the car ground to a halt. So I have had remanufactured large drive unit with coolant delete modification so it doesn't happen again. That has got a 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty and it costs £2,800. Now supposedly he reckons it will last 200,000 miles. Pyro fuse, that was replaced with a new cover for £350, and the high voltage contactors were replaced, so I'm guessing they are the contacts to the battery, and that was at a cost of £500. So first bill was £3,650. If you were having a new engine in your 5 Series BMW or a remanufactured one, would you be spending similar? I don't know. Anyway, it needed an MOT and I knew it needed 4 tyres. I knew the suspension creaked, but I didn't know how badly the suspension needed replacing. So, offside, near side, front, aft wishbones supplied and fitted, £708. Offside, near side, front 4 wishbones supplied and fitted, £375. Offside near top wishbone supplied and fitted, £608.34. Offside near side rear arms wishbone supplied and fitted, £133.34. Excuse me. Offside near side anti-roll bars supplied and fitted, £166.67. Offside near side front anti-roll bars supplied and fitted, £200. Now he informed me the brakes had about 30% all round. I thought they may as well get replaced while it's in. So front discs and pads supplied and fitted, £375. Rear discs and pads supplied and fitted, £458.34. MOT 40. Now these Teslas, basically they have like a wiper motor fault where it eats into your bonnet. So I said, while it's in, may as well have a wiper mechanism supplied and fitted. That was £225. My driver's door handle was knackered and it was sort of held with tape to open. So he's fixed my driver's door handle. It basically comes out when you touch it. That was £183.34. And 4 new tyres mid-range 483.34. So with that bill was 4,740. So it's a hard pill to swallow, isn't it? But I kind of think that if I'd bought another car, I'm buying someone else's problem. As in, does it need tyres, does it need brakes, does it need suspension? Whereas I know now I've got, hopefully, touch wood, 12 months motoring. So there we go. Buying a Tesla with no warranty is expensive. But thank you for watching. Do consider liking, commenting, subscribing, to see some more of this. And have a good evening, weekend, month, year, and see you in the next one.